America finally releases new superfighter jet to replace F-22 Raptor. Introduction. In a monumental development for the world of aviation and military technology, the United States has unveiled its latest marvel, a cutting-edge superfighter jet set to replace the renowned F-22 Raptor. This long-awaited release marks a significant stride in aerial combat capabilities, ushering in a new era of supremacy in the skies. Let's delve into the features, innovations, and impact of this groundbreaking advancement. The F-22 Raptor has long reigned as a symbol of American air dominance. Launched in the early 2000s, it showcased unparalleled maneuverability, stealth capabilities, and state-of-the-art avionics. Its introduction set new standards in aerial warfare, underscoring the significance of air superiority in modern conflicts. The need for an upgrade. As the F-22 Raptor's technology aged and global adversaries caught up, the U.S. Department of Defense recognized the urgency of introducing a successor that would maintain the nation's aerial supremacy. This realization prompted intensive research and development to birth the next generation of fighter jets. The new superfighter jet, unveiling unrivaled prowess, a glimpse into the future. The newly unveiled superfighter jet, cloaked in secrecy until now, is poised to redefine the landscape of aerial warfare. Meticulously designed to surpass its predecessor's capabilities, this jet incorporates revolutionary features that set it apart on multiple fronts. Superior stealth and detection avoidance. Utilizing advanced stealth technology, the new fighter jet exhibits enhanced radar-evading capabilities, rendering it exceptionally elusive to enemy tracking systems. This edge in avoiding detection enhances its effectiveness in both offensive and defensive operations. Cutting-edge avionics. Equipped with state-of-the-art avionics, the fighter jet boasts improved data processing, real-time threat analysis, and unparalleled situational awareness. Pilots will be empowered with a comprehensive understanding of their environment, giving them a decisive advantage in high-stakes scenarios. Adaptive maneuverability. One of the standout features of the new fighter jet is its adaptive maneuverability. Employing innovative propulsion systems and control mechanisms, the aircraft can execute complex aerial acrobatics with unmatched precision, evading threats and enabling precise targeting. Next-level weaponry. Built with an array of cutting-edge weaponry, the fighter jet is primed for diverse mission profiles. From advanced air-to-air missiles to precision-guided munitions, its armament suite is tailored for maximum impact across a spectrum of combat scenarios. Global implications and future prospects, redefining international power dynamics. The introduction of this new superfighter jet reshapes the dynamics of international power and security. Its state-of-the-art capabilities position the United States as a formidable force in both traditional and asymmetrical conflicts, bolstering its role as a global leader in military technology. Collaborative research and innovation. The development of the new fighter jet involved collaborations between leading aerospace companies, research institutions, and military branches. This cooperative approach not only yielded technological breakthroughs but also fostered cross-disciplinary expertise, setting the stage for further advancements in aerospace engineering. The unveiling of America's new superfighter jet, poised to replace the F-22 Raptor, marks a remarkable leap forward in military aviation. Its advanced capabilities, including superior stealth, cutting-edge avionics, adaptive maneuverability, and next-level weaponry, underscore the nation's commitment to maintaining air superiority. As this new chapter in aviation history unfolds, The world watches in awe and anticipation. What makes the new fighter jet superior to the F-22 Raptor? The new fighter jet boasts enhanced stealth, advanced avionics, adaptive maneuverability, and next-level weaponry, surpassing the capabilities of the F-22 Raptor. How will this jet impact global power dynamics? The jet reinforces the United States' position as a dominant force in military technology, influencing international power balances. Were other countries involved in its development? Yes, the jet's creation involved collaboration between various aerospace entities, research institutions, and military branches. Can the new jet adapt to different mission profiles? Absolutely. Its versatile armament and advanced systems allow it to excel in diverse combat scenarios.